everyone, happy Saturday evening. This is Janet Wakeland with Remarkably Created, and I'm popping on with an unscheduled Facebook Live. Excuse me so much about that. Slowly getting my voice back. I didn't realize it would take so long. But anyway, excuse me, I've been in the studio this evening working away on some home decor items, and I wanted to just come on live and show you what I've been working on. You got a little sneak peek this afternoon with a picture of a quote from one of them, but I wanted to showcase everything for you. So let me start first by just showing you these fun frames, because they're kind of the basis for it. Whoops, wait a minute. Water, grow, and enjoy. So these frames happen to be 6 by 6. They do come white, and they have a little bit of a grain in them. They have a piece for hanging with a nail on the wall, or they can stand on a desk. They do measure 6 by 6, and then they have a plexiglass insert in them. Now I've dressed mine up just a little bit. I'm going to show you the exact contents of the kit. Then we'll come back to these and then some additional ones that I have made. So these frames are part of a kit available from Stampin UP called the Happy Houseplants kit. Stampin UP has two types of kits. We have what's called our kit collections, and Stampin UP introduces 2 new kits every single month. I noted that availability could be limited. That's because Stampin UP kind of decides on a response, decides on an ordering time, decides on how long it might take to get more in, whether or not when they sell out they'll be replenished. So again, availability can be limited on our kits. The other type of kit that we have is something called Paper Pumpkin. Paper Pumpkin can be a subscription for 3, 6, or 12 months, or it's a kit that you can order by the 10th of every month to get a single one delivered to your house. So kit collections and then Paper Pumpkin. This was one of our newly introduced kit collections last month, and it includes, let's pull this all out here. It includes 4 frames, and let's just open these up here for just a second so that you can see them again. You just saw them, but it has the 4 frames. It has that plexiglass piece inside, and it does have a little kind of a plastic piece that you pull off front and back to keep the plexiglass from scratching during transit and shipping. So you're going to have those 4 frames. Then you're going to have the supplies that you need to go ahead and make 4 frames, and I'll show you a picture of what they would look like not dressed up. So here you can see in the instructions just the simple house plants, and then you've got some color step-by-step images for you to help you put it together. Little cardboard piece here. You have mats, so you can go ahead and mat the image if you want to, and I'll lay these aside and we'll put them back on my frames in just a minute. You have the 4 backgrounds. You have die cuts that you're going to be able to push out and use, and then you have some dimensionals to elevate the elements of your plants. So let me bring mine back in here, and I went ahead and did all 4 of them, and then I used the words plant, water, grow, and enjoy. I used one of our alphabet stamps. And then here I have a little bit of a bow. I've got some sequins. I've got some little embellishments here. Here I have a little bow. And these are the mats. I chose to leave them out because, again, I wanted to add words to them. Now, as you're looking at these 4 frames, you're also going to notice that this frame is a little darker. This frame here, I went ahead and used a blending brush and an ink pad, and I darkened this one up. I wanted to draw on the pecan pie elements that were part of the kit, and I will be darkening up all 4 of them. So this is the standard kit all dressed up, and of course you can use it exactly like it is, Or what you can do is you can take advantage of the fact that you have these 4 amazing frames, and you can do some other fun ones. So I have a little coffee center here in my studio. So I went ahead and put together 4 frames for my studio. So this one I used the alphabet set and I put Rise and Grind. These little coffee cups, as well as the spoon and the coffee pot, they are part of a new bundle that debuts along with this beautiful designer papers on March 5th. And I did do a video showcasing a sneak peek of all of those new products coming. So we have Rise and Grind, and I just pulled colors right from the paper, added a couple little embellishments to make the teacups, coffee cups a little fancy. Left these 2 pieces plain, and then but first coffee. Okay, that's kind of my whole mantra. Nothing happens in my life without coffee. Got to have my coffee. The pot, again, you can see how nice and fun that is to put together. We have our spoon and 2 pots. So that's one that I put together. And then another one, I love to surround myself with inspirational quotes. So then here is the other one that I put together. And this also showcases some new product coming, and that is our beautiful zinnia paper. It is just bright and vibrant, along with this new glimmer paper. Isn't that amazing? And I included 2 of my new favorite quotes. I love flowers, and so when I saw these quotes, I was immediately drawn to them. And it just so happens that they coincided with the arrival of these frames and the paper, and it all came together. So I love this. Live simply, bloom wildly. Flowers don't tell, they show. So I love that one as well too. There's a saying that I've always loved since I was in high school that says actions speak louder than words and they tell fewer lies. And that kind of reminds me of that quote that used to hang in my locker in high school. Now, I've used these frames as a foursome, but the other nice thing about these frames is I could just simply have this frame to change out in my studio all the time, and I could do other things with these frames. So the frames don't have to be used as a foursome. The frames can indeed be used individually. Maybe you have a little office cubicle, or you're a teacher with a desk. Maybe you have a little island. For that matter, maybe you do have a little coffee bar, a little place where your coffee pot is downstairs in the kitchen, and you just want one frame to set beside it to make you smile when you're making coffee in the morning. Actually, my husband is the barista now that he's retired. We just drink black coffee, but I still call him the barista because it's fun. But I thought about making one that was highly personalized, that just said, you know, hey, honey, or something about it, or thanks for being my barista. Make him smile when he's making coffee. But again, you can just use them individually. You could do them as a twosome. Lots of ways to mix and match. Of course, you can use them with the elements that came with the kit. You can touch up your kit. So lots and lots of possibilities with these guys. I'll put them all on the screen one more time so that you can see those foursomes. And then I will be taking pictures for you. But the kit number is in the description above, and actually the kit number is 163873. So this would be something fun if you're looking for a craft to do. This would be something fun to do. These are actually nicely sized too. You're looking for just a small little art piece to hang maybe in your RV. This would be a great size as 6 by 6 to hang. And because it's plexiglass, you don't have to worry about a glass front changing. So I'm really excited to have these in my studio, and I know that they will go through multiple different versions of them as new ideas come in, as new papers and products come in to inspire me. But these are the ones that I have right now in the studio that I will be hanging on the wall and having around to inspire me. So make sure you go check out those kits, guys. Remember that Stampin' Up! Products are so much more than making beautiful cards, framed art, home decor pieces, banners, birthday decorations, gift packaging, scrapbooking. There's so many more things that we can be doing with that. If you have questions about any of the items that I showed, any of the things that I used on these different frames, just go ahead. You can see the fun little sequins. Just go ahead and let me know. Just real quick, in this case, If you'll notice, I decided to let the paper just speak for itself. I didn't want all of them to be really busy and decorated. But these are elevated on foam, so there is room underneath of the glass to go ahead and do just a little bit of layering, again, as you can see with this raised alphabet and the raised cups, giving it just a little hint of shadow, so there is some space under them. But again, any other questions that you might have, just go ahead and ask them, and I will get to them, answering them for you guys. So have a little bit of fun, enjoy a little bit of retail therapy. You have 4 days left of celebration. If you ordered 2 of these kits so that you had 8 frames to work with for giving gifts to different members of your family, your friends, maybe you've got some special occasions coming up. Maybe you do some type of events. Maybe you've got a shower or something and you want to decorate around the room. Because this is plexiglass, you could also use it right on wipe-off markers on these. But if you order 2 of these kits, you'll be able to select a celebration item. But you only have 4.5 days left for that. So have a great evening, guys, and make sure you do something crafty this weekend. Thanks.